Hi students, welcome to Engineering Graphics class. I am Dr. Vinodkumar. In this video, we are going to discuss the problem belonging to the fourth module of KTU University Examination on Engineering Graphics held on 25th of October 2021. There are two questions from isometric views. Both questions are isometric views. This problem is a pentagonal pyramid 20 mm side of base and 50 mm tall, 20 mm side of base and 50 mm tall, sitting or standing centrally on a circular slab 60 mm diameter, 40 mm thick. I repeat, a circular slab 60 mm diameter, 40 mm thick is standing on the ground. On its top, centrally, a pentagonal pyramid is standing. A pentagonal pyramid is standing. The pyramid has got 20 mm side of base and 50 mm axis length. Agreed? You are asked to draw the isometric view. First of all, I draw a pentagon 20 mm side. I have located its center. A, B, C, D, E, the 5 corners of the base. OP, the axis. Then with O as center, 30 as radius, draw a circle so that the circle is 60 mm diameter. So this plan is necessary. ഈ പ്ലാൻ വരയ്ക്കാതെ ഐസോമെട്രിക് വ്യൂ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഈ പ്ലാൻ വരയ്ക്കാതെ ഐസോമെട്രിക് വ്യൂ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. So first of all we will draw this plan. Now I inscribe the circle in a square. I inscribe the circle in a square. The square is 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom. Since the slab is 40 mm thick, I am marking 5, 6, 7, 8 on the top. So the cylinder 60 mm diameter, 40 mm thick is inscribed in a box, square box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 whose side is 60. When the diameter is 60, the side of the square inside which the circular slab is inscribed also will be 60. Now, I draw iso view of the box. Draw a horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line. Draw a 30-degree line. Draw a 30-degree line. 30. 30. Take this side 60 to one side, to other side. Draw parallel lines. What do I get? I get a rhombus. What's the side of the rhombus? Side of the rhombus is 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, from all these 4 corners, I take 40 up, vertically up. And I connect them. Five, 6, 7, 8. So this is the box inside which the cylinder is resting. You have to draw the cylinder. What do? We use four-center method to draw the two ellipses. We draw the larger diagonal at the top and bottom. I am drawing them very light. Get the centers of the sides. Join the obtuse angles to the centers of the sides. Our idea is to get these 4 points. This one as center and this as radius. Draw an arc with your compass. You know it is going to be dotted, therefore I am drawing them as dotted itself. Between this firm, this as center, dotted, firm, dotted, firm. Do the same thing here. For the time being, I am drawing this also as dotted, because when the pyramid is standing, some part will be dotted. Okay. Then draw the 2 tangents on the sides. What have you got? You have got the circular slab. This is square 60. Square 60. Now, I draw a horizontal line through DE. I draw a horizontal line through DE. A horizontal line through A and C. And a vertical line through B. It will pass through the center also. It will pass through the center also. Now, locate this point. Where is this point? On 5-8. 5-8. Take this distance and mark here. Get a point there. Mark the same point here. Mark this point. Connect them. Now, connect this. If you want, we can name them. You are used up to 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 8, this is 9, and this is 10. Now, on the line through 8, take this distance to locate E. Take this distance to locate E. So this is E. Same distance in this direction, you will get what? You will get D. Take this distance and locate A. A. Take the same distance reverse direction to get what? C. This is what? 10 itself is B, and travel this much to get the center. Center of the circle itself, that is O. From O, measure the height up. What is the height? Height of the pyramid is 50. Measure 50 up from O. This is O, this is P. Connect them. Connect what? Connect AE DE by dotted line, CD by firm line. Sorry, DE will also become dotted subsequently. BC by firm line, AB by firm line. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Sorry. This is not B. Where is B? B is this far away from on the line through 10. On the line through 10, B is this far away. Take the distance and mark. This is B. So, AB by firm line and BC by firm line. Connect them to the apex. EP firm line, AP firm line, CP firm line, BP firm line. What is dotted line? Dotted line is DP. DP is dotted line and axis is chain line. Now, out of the circular slab, some part which you have drawn as dotted line will be formed. How far? This much is formed and this also is formed. Only this portion will become dotted. The drawing is complete. The drawing is complete. This height you have to mark as what? This height is 50. This height is what? 40. This base side of the pyramid is what? 20. The drawing is complete. The construction line, the green box has to be very light. The blue slab, circular slab has to be dark, and the pyramid also has to be dark. It's a very simple question. Isometric view. No need of drawing an isometric scale. Now, when you draw such a question, this, if the total marks is 20, this will carry about 4 marks. This plan. The isometric view of the circular slab will carry about 6 marks. Isometric view of the pyramid will carry another 6 marks. So 6 plus 6, 12 plus 4, 16. The remaining 4 marks for dimensioning and neatness. I hope you understand it. It's a reasonable question. Okay. We will do the next problem now. Next question of isometric in this module, module 4. We have got a hollow circular, a hollow cylinder, 60 mm diameter, outside diameter, and 40 mm inside diameter, 60 mm outside diameter and 40 mm inside diameter, rests on its generator on a rectangular slab of 60 mm and 80 mm sides and 30 mm thick. 60 mm and 80 mm rectangular slab, 30 mm thick. Actually, the elevation or plan is not necessary to draw the isometric view. It's not necessary, but for you to understand, I am going to draw that. (30 thick, 60 side. The depth is 80. The depth of the slab is 80. You can consider this as a slab. 60, 80 and 30 thick. It's resting like this. On its top, a cylinder is resting like this. A cylinder on its generator. The axis of the cylinder is in the direction of the longer side. The axis of the cylinder is in the direction of the longer side of the slab. Okay, now when you draw the cylinder, this is how the cylinder is sitting on top of the slab. Diameter of the cylinder is 60, so this is 60. This is 65. This is 45. What is the length? Length of the slab is 80 and length of the cylinder also is 80. Hollow cylinder is also 80. Okay, that's the question. Slightly difficult one. Let's try that. Thirty. I take 80 in this direction and 60 in this direction. $80, 60. Measure 30 up. Connect. You have got the slab. You have got the slab. $80. $60. And then height is 30. On top is the hollow cylinder. I measure 60 up from all the four corners. 60. And I connect. Okay. Now, this is a rhombus actually. This is a rhombus. Join the larger diagonal. Find the centers of the sides. Join them to the obtuse angle. Inside this rhombus, draw another rhombus. What side? 40 side. 40 side. Join the larger diagonal. Larger diagonal coincide. Join the centers to the obtuse angles. Do the same thing here. Join the larger diagonal. Draw the rhombus of 40 side. Now what? This corner as center, this as radius, draw an arc. This is center, this is radius, draw an arc. This is center, this is radius, draw an arc. This is center, this is radius, draw an arc. You have got an ellipse there. Inside that, this is center, this is radius, draw an arc. This is center, this is radius, draw another arc. This is center, draw an arc. And this is center, draw another arc. You have got two ellipses. Do the same thing here. The two ellipses are dotted, the inside ellipse is dotted here, the outside ellipse is going to be dotted. Now what? Now draw the tangents. Draw the tangents. Now this is firm. Whole ellipse is firm. Now you have to darken whatever is visible. This is visible. This is visible. This is visible. This is not visible. This is visible, 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 this is not visible. It's the bottom of the rectangular slab, this is not visible. All these things become very light. All these are very light. Okay, all these are very light, all these construction lines are very light. When you draw using pencil, you can very well make them very light. When I use white marker, that the differentiation will not be very good between dark and light lines. These are two tangents drawn. Dotted, these are all dotted. It's a reasonable question. It's a reasonable question. This is 65. This is 45. The length is 80. It's already marked. This is the second question belonging to the fourth module. Compared to this, the previous question is easy because here you have to draw the slab. Slab means two parallelograms, one parallelogram at the bottom, one parallelogram at the top, and then vertical lines, and then four ellipses to represent the hollow circular cylinder. Agreed? I hope you understand this. If you are happy with the presentation, please subscribe my channel and request your juniors to subscribe to my channel. Like it and share it among all those first year students you know. Okay. Thank you.